Hello children, welcome to another class of computer lessons. So today we are going to learn the remaining portions of this chapter. So let's study. First one, pen drive. So first is pen drive. Then have you heard about this pen drive? Yes, pen drive is a storage device. Pen drive is which type of device? A storage device. Then we can attach this device to the CPU. For example, this is a CPU and there is a port. So we can attach pen drive to the CPU. We can attach pen drive to the CPU. This looks like a pen drive. Yes. So pen drive, we can attach pen drive to a CPU. And what is its use? It is a storage device. So the question is, name a storage device. An example of storage device, pen drive. Storage device. Then it is very small sized. It is small key ring sized. Key ring sized. It is key ring sized. And this pen drive stores large amount of data. This pen drive stores large amount of data. So what is the spelling of pen drive? P-E-N, pen, P-E-N-D-R-I-V-E, P-E-N, pen, drive, D-R-I-V-E, pen, driver, P-E-N-D-R-I-V-E, 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 pen, driver. Small storage device is pen driver. Small key ring size. Small sized storage device is what? Pen drive. Very good. Then second is another type of storage device is CD. Another type of storage device is what? CD. CD. CD stands for compact disc. Compact. C-O-M-P-A-C-T. Compact. Disc. D-I-S-C. CD stands for compact disc. CD stands for compact disc. CD stands for compact disc. C. Compact. C-O-M-P-A-C-T. Compact disc. CD stands for compact disc. And the shape of CD is circular shape. And it has a shiny surface. It has a shiny surface and it is in circular shape. It is in circular shape and shiny surface. Then there is a CD drive. We need a CD drive to read the data which is recorded on the CD. So we need a CD drive. We need a CD drive to read the data which is recorded on the CD. So CD stands for compact disc and it is in circular shape. It has a shiny surface. Then we need a CD drive to read the CD. Right? Then next is DVD. So next is what? DVD. DVD. Then DVD stands for digital versatile disc. Digital. D-I-G-I-T-A-L. digital. V, versatile. V-E-R-S-A-T-I-L-E, versatile. Disk, D-I-S-C, digital, versatile disk. Digital, D-I-G-I-G-I-T-A-L, D-I-G-I-T-A-L, digital. Versatile, V-E-R-S-A-T-I-L-E, versatile. Disk, D-I-S-C, disk. DVD stands for digital versatile disk. And DVD looks like CD. That means it is also a round or circular shape. This also looks like a round or circular shape. DVD looks like a CD, but DVD holds more information or more data than CD. It holds more data than CD. It holds more data than CD. That means CD or DVD, it is better, or which has more space to store data. DVD is better. DVD hold large amount of data when compared to CD, right? But CD and DVD looks almost same because they are in circular shape and CD has a shiny surface. Then same way, DVD drive. We need a DVD drive to read the data on the DVD. We need a CD drive to read the CD data, and also we need a DVD drive to read the data which is recorded on DVD, right? So, and the thing is, DVD can read both CD and DVD, but CD drive can only read CD data. So DVD, digital versatile disk, it is circular in shape and it can read DVD or CD data. DVD drive can read. Then next is Blu-ray disc. Blue, B-L-U-E, Blu-ray, R-A-Y, disc, D-I-S-C, Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc means it is also a storage device and it has the capacity to, it is 5 times better than the DVD. That means it stores 5 to 10 times more than a DVD. It stores 5 or 10 times more than the data than a DVD. Then so what are the devices? CD, DVD and Blu-ray disc. These are circular in shape, and also Blu-ray disc in circular shape and there is a blue color in its surface. Then let's do an activity. Draw a circle around the storage bar, that is the main storage on a computer which you cannot see. Look at the picture, page number 25. Look at the picture given here. So there are some storage devices. So can you see that picture? Yes. And you have to select the picture which is the main storage and which we cannot see. So can you identify which is that device or which is that part? Here, what is its name? Pen drive. Then this is Blu-ray disc, and this is hard disk, and this is CD. So what is the main storage device of a computer? Hard disk. So circle around the picture hard disk. What is the spelling of hard disk? H-A-R-D, hard disk, D-I-S-K. Then next is worksheet. So worksheet and worksheet 1. In the upper row there are half broken computer parts that belongs to the images in the lower row. Draw lines from the numbered broken parts to the rest of the portion and also write down the name of the part against its number in the blanks. So look at the picture. In the first row there are some broken parts and also in the second row and its remaining parts. So you have to match the correct pairs first. So can you identify which part is this? It is the part of a microphone. So first a part of a microphone. Then what is its spelling? M-I-C-R-O, microphone. P-H-O-N-E, microphone. Then and another part of microphone is in second row, second picture. Second row, second picture. So you have to match the first number 1 to the second picture in the second row. So you have to match 1 to the second picture. Second picture, second row. Second row. That is, what is its name? Microphone. Then what is the spelling of microphone? M-I-C-R-O-P-H-O-N-E. So write the microphone here. Right? Okay. Then can you identify the second picture? Which is that broken part? It's the part of a printer. So you have to match the number 2 to the fourth picture in the second row. So what is the name of that device or a part? Printer. So the name printer, P-R-I-N-T-E-R, printer. That is number 2 matches to which picture? Fourth picture in the second row. Fourth picture. Second row. Okay. So first one microphone, second one printer. Then third one. Look at the picture. What is this? What is this? A broken part. So can you identify which is that part? It's a part of a headphone. It's a part of a headphone. Headphone. H-E-A-D-P-H-O-N-E. H-E-A-D-P-H-O-N-E. Headphone. H-E-A-D-P-H-O-N-E. 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 Then, so 3 matches to first picture. 3 matches to first picture. 3 matches to first. 3 matches to first. Then fourth picture, what is that? It's a broken part of a web camera, right? So webcam is matches to the third pic. Webcam matches to third pic. So what is the spelling of webcam? W-E-B webcam, C-A-M. So webcam, W-E-B-C-A-M. 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 Microphone. So that is the first broken part. Microphone. Then second is printer. 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 Then headphone. 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 Then webcam. Webcam. Then worksheet number 2. Okay. So, worksheet number 2, tie the balloon with the right picture to the hook on the wall where the correct name of parts are given. So, look at the picture in your textbooks. First picture, what is it? Balloon containing disc. What is that disc? It is a Blu-ray disc. It is a blue color. Yes, so it is a Blu-ray disc. So, we can tie this balloon to the Blu-ray box. Blu-ray disc. And second one, a circular shape, shiny surface. What is that? CD. So, we can match this or tie this balloon into CD. Third one, this is a storage device. Its name is pen drive. So, we can match this pen drive or tie this pen drive into this box. And finally, another balloon contains, what is its name? Hard disk. So we can tie hard disk into this box. So what are the names? Hard disk, Blu-ray disc, CD, pen drive. What is the spelling of hard disk? H-A-R-D-D-I-S-K. 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 Hard disk. Then second one, CD. CD. CD means compact disk. Third one, pen drive. And what is the spelling of pen drive? Pen. P-E-N. Pen. Drive. D-R-I-V-E. Pen drive. Then fourth one, hard disk. Sorry. So the first one is Blu-ray. B-L-U-E. Blu-ray. And fourth one, hard disk. H-A-R-D-D-I-S-K. Right. So these are the 4 parts in the 4 balloons, and we can match all of pairs or words. Then next is worksheet number 3. Cross out the letters to see the hidden words. Cross out the letters to see the hidden words. First is DLMVD. DLMVD. So cross out some letters and we have to find the hidden word. So which are the words we have to cross out? Here, cross out second and third letter. Cross out second, third letter. So, second letter is L and third letter M. So, finally, we got a word that is, what's that word? DVD. So what is the result? DVD. So that is the first question. Second one. DLMI. DLMICROTHONE. So here you identify what is the word here. So the hint here is cross out the first two letters. Cross out the first two letters. So let's do it. First letter D. Second letter L. So cross out first two letters. Finally, the answer is microphone. MICROPHONE. Right. Third question. MKCDTM. MKCDTN. So the hint here is cross out the first two and last two letters. Cross out first two and last two letters. Okay. So first two letters. First letter M. Second letter A. First two letters. Cross out first two letters. And last two letters. T and last letter N. So finally, what is the result? What's the hidden word? CD. Okay. Fourth question. Cross HPJRI. HP. Fourth question. HPJRI. HPJRI. MNTER. MNTER. HPJRI. MNTER. So the hint here is cross out the first, third and sixth letter. Cross out first, third and sixth letter. Okay. First word H, then third 2, 3. Cross. Next, sixth letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So finally, P R I N T E R. What is that word? Printer. Then, fifth question. V T H E A D P H O N E S R. So here is cross out the first two and last letters. Cross out the first two and last letter. Cross out first two letter and last letter. Okay. So first letter cross out, then second letter, then another last letter. What's the word? Headphones. H-E-A-D P-H-O-N-E-S. Headphones. Okay. Then, so what are the words here? First word DVD, second word microphone, third word CD, fourth word printer, and fifth word headphones. Right? Yes. Okay. Then worksheet number 4. Each set of jumbled letters have the name of a computer part hidden in it. Find out and match to this picture. So, there are 4 gift boxes and each of the gift box contain a word, but it is incorrect. So, you have to rearrange the word and correct it, then match with each of its pictures. So, let's do it. First box contains V D D V D D. Then can you identify what is that word here? There is a storage device. Its name DVD. So rearrange first letter D and second letter B and third letter D. So the correct word here is DVD. Then second one, RINTERT. So this is the incorrect word. So you have to correct it. So can we rearrange it? First, can you identify what is the word? The word starts with P and it is used to print the data onto a paper. What is that? Printer. So what is it spelling? P. Then after P, R comes. And then I. Then N. Then T. Then E. R. So the word is printer. printer. Then third one, BEW MAC. So can we rearrange it? BEW. So how can we rearrange the incorrect word BEW? We can change into WEB. Then next is CAM. So webcam. So the correct word is webcam. Okay. Then fourth one, THONE DEAHS. So this is the incorrect word. So can we rearrange it? So can you identify what is the hidden word here? It is headphones. So what is the spelling of headphone? First H, then E, then A, then D, headphones. PHONE. Then finally yes. So these are the words. First DVD, printer, webcam, headphones. Then after that you have to match each word into its own picture. So first DVD matches to here. Then second one, printer matches to the picture of printer. Then webcam matches to this picture and headphone matches to this picture. Then worksheet number 5. Sunny has written some sentences about computer parts. Take the sentences which you think which is correct and put the cross mark the sentence which is wrong. So the first question, the printer prints on paper. So is this question is correct or wrong? A printer prints the data onto a paper. So the question is correct. So you have to put the tick mark onto the box. Then second one, using the headphones you can record sound. Can we record sound using a headphone? No. Why? Because headphone is used to hear the sound from the computer. So this is wrong. So put a cross mark onto that box. The third one, using a microphone you can hear sound. So can we hear sound using a microphone? No. Microphone is used to record sound. So this is wrong. So we have to put a cross mark on the box. And the fourth question, the webcam is used for sharing images. So we know webcam is used for sharing or capture images. So this is right. So you have to put a tick mark onto that box. Then fifth question, to save your computer work you need to permanently store it in a refrigerator. So if you want to save your work, do we need the work we have to store in a refrigerator or a fridge? So this is wrong. We know the data is permanently stored in secondary devices like hard disk or a pen drive, etc. So this is wrong. So put a cross mark onto that box. Then sixth question, the hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD are the various storage media available on the computer. Yes, it is the various or different types of storage media. So put a tick mark on the box. Then worksheet number 6. Write down the name of the computer part after reading the clue in the space provided here. So the first question, a part that helps you to record sound onto a computer. So What is the part which is used to record sound? Microphone. Then what is the spelling of microphone? M-I-C-R-O-P-H-O-N-E. So write the name microphone in the first question, blank space here. Then second question, the microphone and headphone together in a single unit called headset. So you have to write headset in the second line. Then third question, a type of camera that can be attached onto your computer to share images. So what is that camera? Webcam. So you have to write webcam on the third line. Third question. Then fourth question, it prints your computer work on the paper. So what is that device? Printer. So write printer on this line. So our third chapter is over. So you have to write the notes in your notebook, and thank you.